Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a trailing stop loss on Binance. A trailing stop loss is a powerful tool designed to protect your profits and minimize potential losses in volatile markets. It automatically adjusts your stop price as the market moves in your favor, allowing your gains to run while safeguarding against sudden reversals. This order type helps you manage risk effectively without needing to constantly monitor price action. A trailing stop works by setting a stop price that dynamically follows the market price at a predetermined distance, often a percentage. For a sell order, as the asset's price increases, your trailing stop price moves up with it. However, if the price drops by your specified percentage from its peak, the trailing stop triggers, placing a market or limit order to sell your assets, thus securing your accumulated profits. Setting up a trailing stop on Binance is straightforward. First, go to either the spot or futures trading section. Choose your desired trading pair, then select trailing stop from the order type menu. You'll need to input your trailing delta, which is the percentage the price can move against you before the order triggers. You can also set an optional activation price for when the trailing stop should begin tracking the market. When using a trailing stop, consider your trailing delta carefully. A smaller percentage offers tighter protection but risks premature activation, while a larger one allows more room. The activation price is crucial if you want the trailing stop to only become active after a specific price point is reached. If left blank, it activates immediately. Always review your order details before confirming to ensure it aligns with your trading plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.